Hello, members, and welcome to What's Rocking at the Club. How are you, Alex?
Great, Stacy.
So let's get right into it. It was terrific to see the club receive national recognition on our video production in Resort and Club magazine.
Yes, it was. And it was great that editor Joe Barks took acknowledgement to the progress we've made in script writing, efficiency, production, everything.
You know, I've always wanted to be able to communicate with our members where we can share our enthusiasm. You know, it's not just a poster or an email.
Well, our calendar continues to grow. Let's keep this going, Stacy.
Count me in.
Members, continue to let us know what you would like to see.
Before we go any further, have you all seen the new furniture over at Caprock Patio? It's absolutely beautiful.
Wowza!
So true, Christian and Peyton. Just beautiful. And more recognition for the resort. For the first time, Travel and Leisure magazine voted the resort as one of the best in the world.
And that award complements the 4-time Condé Nast Reader's Choice Award that the resort has received year over year.
And Stacy, Alex, let's be sure not to forget Golf Digest Editor's Choice Award, 2nd year in a row.
Hey team, let's stay with golf.
The Fab Four's first event was a smashing success. And if you missed it, the next one is October 12th at 2 p.m. Be sure to sign up at the golf shop. Instruction, 4 holes of golf, and cocktails.
Our first Fab Four was a fantastic success. What a great group of ladies. Come join us on Tuesdays. It's a lot of fun.
Way to go, Bobby. We're hearing wonderful things from the girls about what you're doing out there.
Yes, and what a great photo. They really have a lot of fun. And that's a perfect transition into our upcoming Pickleball and Pinot event.
This is a wonderful format for learning a little bit about this popular game while enjoying the camaraderie that goes along with it.
Between learning or just getting out to play a few matches, you will also enjoy a taco bar and a Pinot Noir tasting.
Pinot and pickleball. I dig that combo.
I thought you would like that, Stacy. Before we jump to the next event, a little housekeeping.
With the popularity of the game, we are asking to make pickleball court reservations to procure your court. Please call the tennis shop, and Ann is more than happy to take your reservation.
Let's talk tennis. Let's take a peek at the new screens on the courts.
Excellent addition. Courts 15, 16, 17, and 18 all feature new fencing and windscreens. I heard the courts got a resurfacing too. Let's go to Israel.
Like a kid in a candy store, somebody said. Yep, new windscreens, new fences, and gorgeous new blue surfacing.
Hey, let's get on with the next fun event.
All right, Katie, what do you got?
It's gonna be a good one. I really love this event. Girls, this is gonna be amazing.
And this is why our videos take so long.
Paint and pour girls' night out. We're gonna paint like Picasso and drink like Van Gogh. Cosmo and martini specials, appetizers, and then paint a beautiful picture with lots of instruction.
Well, this is a great transition for a save the date for the Wine, Dine, and Jazz Festival.
Yes, that is November 5th and 6th. They'll have celebrity chefs, 5-course dinner, cooking demos, and of course, the wine stroll.
Ooh.
Yes, let me just pour you a little.
Speaking of jazz, be sure to also mark your calendar to attend Jazz on the Green on Friday, October 22nd.
Our fall event features the amazing Honeybee Jazz Band.
5:30 to 7:30 p.m. right behind me at the Slick Rock Driving Range. Weather should be just perfect for this event.
And remember to bring your chairs and or blankets.
See you there.
There's also an area reserved for golf cart parking.
This needs to be a series. Let's talk about that later.
Oh, I am so with you. Let's get back to Party Central.
Got a good one for you, members. A beer garden.
Located on the Jay's Patio, October 15th through the 30th, 5 to 9 p.m. daily.
And enjoy festive German music on Fridays and Saturdays.
We partnered with Allstat Brewery for an authentic German experience.
German beer, German pretzels, and good times.
Prost!
Speaking of good times, I read and hear a lot about good times over at Caprock. Chef Miguel is doing an outstanding job over there, and that brings me to our next event, one that I'm really looking forward to, a cooking demonstration by Chef Miguel featuring preparation for Thanksgiving.
Native American cornbread salad, your drunk uncle's cranberry sauce, and smoking is good for turkey.
And staying with the theme of things, I'm sure the bar will be open.
Very good, Christian. And maybe it's time to move into family festivities.
That would be my cue. Costumes and Kites Family Cookout. Let's celebrate Halloween as a family. Fly kites on Slick Rock Driving Range, decorate some pumpkins as a family, and enjoy a taco bar at Slick Rock Grill.
This Halloween celebration will be Friday, October 29th, a wonderful few hours of quality family time.
I just love seeing the kids running around on the driving range flying their kites.
It really is cool to see, and I love the adults screaming out the answers at trivia.
It's trivia time, Tuesday, October 5th. Can't wait to see you there.
A buffet and 7 rounds of questions.
And while we're on staple events, let's talk birthday night.
Wednesday, November 17th, we celebrate October, November, and December birthdays.
Well, that will be quite the yacht club party.
So not only delicious cake, but I also think it's very clever how all the birthday participants have their name on the cake.
It really makes it special. And while we're covering the bases, let's get to our four-legged friends.
Oh, this sounds like Peyton news.
My favorite, the Yappy Hour Halloween Howl. Join us at our new location, the Falls Point Lawn, and a new day of the week, Tuesday, not the traditional Monday, October 26th at 5 p.m. I don't know what I'm more excited about, the kids or the dogs in the costumes.
How about the adults?
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, members. We continue our smooth integration efforts for new members with a casual meetup this Thursday, October 21st at Caprock Patio.
New members, join us and meet new friends.
Christian and Amber, this is important stuff. I don't want to forget the pizza special at 360.
Thanks for reminding me. This week's pizza special is the roasted garlic chicken pizza. Comes with spinach, heirloom tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, pesto, and cream sauce.
Love that pizza. Great job, Chef Amir. And let's go quickly to some Halloween festivities. We have the spa doing their very first spa spooktacular. So there will be self-care, holiday fun, something for everyone, even you can bring the children along.
And while we're talking about the spa, let's also check out there's new peptide-based products.
Ooh, I like that. Very nice.
Alex, that would be for me, not for you, pretty girl.
Members, please review the lifestyle guide because there is much, much more happening at the club.
From Putt and Treat on Whitewater Patio to Hocus Pocus Movie Night.
This publication features 3 months of club happenings.
We really just covered October today, so they mean it. Watch out for the emails and check the lifestyle guide.
And be sure to mark your calendar through December.
And there's more news to come regarding Christmas and 50th anniversary celebrations.
Thank you, members.